We've all seen videos of road rage conflicts and wish the police were there at the right moment, right? Well, your wishes are heard. Today, you will see speeding drivers, unlucky teachers, and those who do not respect the traffic lane. And our first story shows what irresponsibility or a momentary thirst for speed can lead to. This red Toyota Supra does not suspect that in front of it awaits a policeman on a motorcycle with radar. The result is obvious. By the way, what do you think of the new Supra with a BMW heart? The author was driving in a circle of traffic when the driver of the other car either didn't notice him or just acted stupidly by not letting the author pass. The author then decided to follow the driver who didn't let him pass and captured a lovely moment of karma. Notice the traffic light. It's already blinking yellow as the pickup flies through the intersection. The driver to the right of the pickup stopped, but the driver behind the pickup decided to speed up and pass, and he paid for it. The truck on the right, as it later turns out, needs to change to the leftmost lane from the rightmost lane, and to do so it needs to cross 3 lanes, one of which the author is in. And apparently, either the author got into the blind spot or the truck driver did not look carefully enough in the mirrors, but the truck began to move right into the author. This was all noticed by the police officers. The truck apologized by turning on the emergency stop signal for a while, but this did not save it. At first, I thought the cop caught the car traveling in front of him speeding, but nope. Notice the pickup truck on the left. It was traveling on a closed road. The driver of a Volkswagen turned across 2 solid lines right in front of the police. Lucky guy. In this story, the Dodge made the same mistake, crossing a prohibitive marking right in front of the police. The driver of the Kia decided to avoid the traffic jam on the oncoming lane, exceeding the speed limit, but did not notice the police car. I don't know what he was hoping for. Now he will never make it anywhere in time, but he will also get a huge fine for deprivation of driving license. Note the Chevrolet Tahoe on the right, who decided not to respect the lane when turning right. I don't know if you should have sent him into the oncoming lane, but it looked epic. The Toyota was traveling in the oncoming lane and nearly hit pedestrians in front of police. On May 27, 2022, I was patrolling the area of Highway 70 East near the Highway 128 intersection. I clocked an orange KTM 1290 sport bike oncoming at 144 miles an hour in a 60 mile per hour zone. The operator was wearing a black shirt and red-orange helmet. I turned around and activated my emergency lights. The motorcycle continued traveling west at a high rate of speed while failing to stop. He then made a U-turn near Cloud 9 and performed a wheelie at 100 miles per hour as I met him. Upon reaching a traffic circle at Sibley Hole and Malbavale Pike, Costley lost control of the motorcycle and struck a silver-colored passenger car on the front left fender before laying the motorcycle over. Costley was taken into custody. He refused to identify himself. He was assessed and clear of injury by EMS. Costley had no insurance on the unregistered motorcycle. The bus had some sort of short-term technical malfunction, but the drivers behind it didn't have the patience to wait 30 seconds and decided to go around it. You can see the outcome. The author observed for a couple of minutes the strange actions of the driver of the pickup truck. He was driving slowly and was constantly distracted. As you've already understood, he was driving according to the navigator and decided to turn sharply, not from the intended lane, and without turning on the turn signal. Maybe the Nissan driver was pissed off by this maneuver, and after a few miles, he decided to take a lesson.
Seriously?
But things didn't go according to his plan. The van driver drove around traffic in the oncoming lane and got what he deserved. The bus stopped to drop off the passengers, but the driver of the Citroen lacked patience, so he drove around both the driver and the bus in the oncoming lane. Thanks for watching, and have a great day.